Hello folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, I would like to introduce you to work with my internet coaches, Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. Three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. And this is a massive opportunity for you folks because they will work with you until you get $10,000 a month. In order to get that, ensure that you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get on with the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase PLR. And it shows you how you can modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. It includes a Word document, a PDF file, images, and PLR license. And you can use this document to increase your sales as you use your own PLR programs and products. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. And you can do that so that you can reach your income goals. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy it on Fiverr for a lower price, and that way you become the middleman. Bonus number 4, you will learn how to create a passive income, and this is crucial. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And number 5 is a bonus that will help you supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 a month or a day in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, who are the vendors of Boss Traffic and the creators of Boss Traffic? Well, you've met 2 of them already, Fergal Downs and Max Gerstenmaier. And then there's Al Cheeseman, another individual who I know is a successful internet marketer, and I've worked with him in the past. So Fergal Downs and Max Gerstenmaier, I can't say enough about them. They're excellent people, and Al Cheeseman is also an excellent vendor and creator. In a nutshell, Boss Traffic is a free traffic hack that drives unlimited buyer traffic, making them, in all the tests that they've done, about $373 per day in profit. And there's no waiting for the results. It's beginner friendly, and they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Here's some things you should know about this product. It's a step-by-step system that gives you everything you need to drive high-converting free traffic. It's tested and proven to work with many student success stories, and I believe they tested it with over 100 individuals, so it's well tested. It's a set-and-forget system. Simply set this up one time and it brings you traffic automatically, and there's no tech skills required. It's really 100% newbie friendly. This method is something fresh and new that you've never seen before, and there's no waiting for results, and you can get buyer traffic today. It's a new loophole for 2024. Now here's a little bit on the inside of Boss Traffic. Fergal will provide Fergal provides all the training, and there's an introduction, an overview of what the Boss Traffic is all about. It shows you how to find the products so that you can rank them, and how to get articles, and so they also can be ranked on Google and in LinkedIn and many other places. It shows you how to cloak or link cloaking, which is hiding your long URL. How to index programs and products and articles that you will access, and it'll provide an overview of the conclusion, and then offer you upgrades if you haven't done that already. Now you can listen to Fergal explain Boss Traffic.
Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal Downs here, and I want to say a massive welcome to you to the sales page for Boss Traffic. Now, when it comes to internet marketing, getting traffic is the number one problem that people have. If you don't have traffic, you can't make sales, and if you can't make sales, you can't get commissions. So what we've been working on for the last few months is this brand new traffic system that we call Boss Traffic. What we've been able to do is to siphon traffic away from Google over to our offers, blogs, and websites, convert that traffic into sales and commissions for us. This is a brand new method that has only been working for the last few months, and it's working extremely well right now. So it's completely untapped, and it's just waiting for you guys to dive in and get all that traffic from Google for yourself over to your offers, blogs, and websites. So look, if you're someone who's been trying internet marketing for a long time, maybe you've got the website set up, maybe you've got this offer set up, but you've no traffic, then this is the number one course for you, because this is going to allow you to never have to worry about traffic ever again, because the amount of traffic, the amount of targeted traffic that you get from this is absolutely unbelievable. So what I want you to do right now is go below this video, click the join button, and in just a moment I'll see you inside the members area. We'll get started on this very, very simple traffic method.
Now let's talk a little bit about the sales funnel. The front end is, I believe, $12.97, and there are 7 OTOs. There's a done for you, so that you don't have to wait to do anything with this particular program. It's already done for you, and that's for $27. There's a free traffic method for $17, an Empire VIP club that introduces you into the club for $2. You get product launching training for $197, Arbitrage Prodigy, an excellent product for $297, a done for you Prodigy that takes the arbitrage and they do the integration for you. And if you want the reseller rights to Boss Traffic, it's at $97. Now, you need to know more? Well, click that second link below and get the full story. And here's the bottom line. You're going to find that it's easy to follow training, and it comes highly recommended. And if you're interested in tapping into new traffic sources, this is the program for you. And before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. Please do that. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, how to gain recurring income online easily, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to check the $10,000 a month and take a hard look at this product. Bye for now.